Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and this is for the sun, moon and rising sign of Cancer. We are doing the reading for the month of December 2020. Really a tough year for everybody, and I really hope that the year end gives a lot of love and blessings to all of you. Since this is the last month of the year, so I will be pulling up few additional oracle cards today, and we will also be doing the regular tarot reading for your career, finances, business, for your love and relationships and health too. And I would request you to please like and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and also my personal thanks to all of you. We had a lot of new subscribers this month, and please keep on sharing the video if you like. And let us now begin for the month of December 2020. We soon will be doing your new year readings as well. So let us see what divine messages you have for the month of December. We are ready, and let us see. Lovely. It says business venture. What a beautiful beginning to your reading. I'll just come back to this card in a moment. Let me see what your animal spirit oracle says. And this is for the sun, moon and rising sign of Cancer. My dear friends, these are the general readings, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave it for others what does not, for them to get the benefit. Lovely. Let us see what messages do we have for you people for the month of December. Lovely. It says wombat spirit, be at home. Next, I will be pulling up one more oracle card for you people. This is for the sun, moon and rising sign of Cancer. Cancer, December 2020. Please give us their divine messages. Let me see. We are ready. December 2020 for Cancer. Lovely. It says let yourself sparkle and shine. Lovely. We'll read these cards in just a moment. Let me move into your tarot, and in the end we will also be pulling up your energy oracle cards. Let me see what your tarot is saying for your career and finances. One more shuffle and we will be ready. Let me pull your career and finances, your love and relationships, and your health cards too. Lovely. Let me see. Let me rearrange them well. In your career and finances, it says Ace of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. In your love and relationship, it says Page of Swords and Nine of Swords. And in your health, it says the Hanging Man and Knight of Cups. My dear, you have a lot of pages, ace and knights here today, and you have swords as well. Okay, let us begin with your first oracle card. It says business venture, trust and follow through on a new business idea or career opportunity. My dear, this is a very, very clear card which says that you need to be trusting in your divine, in your universe for a new business opportunity which is coming in your way. It could be a new job offer, it could be a business proposal, it could be a partnership. But since this is the divine message and this is your first message in the reading today, so let's hope that you get this business opportunity soon. You can make a plan, you can make a wish, and you can definitely move on to that career opportunity, because this is the divine blessings which is coming to you in the form of a new opportunity. It says you trust and follow through on a new business idea. My dear friends, this can be anything in the area of career, whether you are on job, whether you are in a business. Expect a new opportunity of your choice coming in, and this is definitely will be as per the divine timing. What a beautiful and a lovely card this is. And the next says it, be at home. Feel the comfort, feel the warmth wherever you are going. It will it is going to be very important that you feel yourself to be at home. Even if you combine this with new opportunity, you will definitely going to find this new opportunity as if you are not moving to something unknown. Even there is a newness in the opportunity, you will feel that yes, there is something known. You will feel that something is already you are aware of, and you will definitely feel like home even in this new opportunity. And the next card says, let yourself sparkle and shine. You are guided to be bold and show your bigger than life side to the world. So this means in the new opportunity, you can definitely come out of your cocoon, come out, express fully, and let the world see that how much you can shine. Let the world see that what all abilities you have and how much you can grow and prove to the world about your own strength at the workplace. And now let us see what your tarot is saying for career and finances. So we have Ace of Swords and we have 8 of Pentacles. My dear, Ace is always a beginning, and if you combine this with the first card, it says a new beginning. So there is a confirmation that you will definitely going to have a new beginning at your career, whether it is a job, a business, or a partnership. It could be anything. It could be at individual level, it could be at partnership level, it could be a business venture. But definitely December month is going to give you something new at the professional front. And if you see, there is 8 of Pentacles along with Ace of Swords. This card is a confirmation that you need to expand your existing skills, which means you can either do an extra certification, an extra course, extra diploma, anything which adds up to your education. You need to add stuff to your existing education. There should be expansion in your skills. You can do some course of your choice, but it says that you to enhance in your career, you definitely need to go ahead with extra skill up. So this new opportunity is going to give a huge breakthrough in your finances if you are able to expand your own knowledge and skills and certifications. So this is actually a very beautiful month if you talk about your professional development. And let us now see what all cards we have for your love and relationships. It says Page of Swords and it says 9 of Swords. This shows that there is some communication gap, some misunderstanding between your partner. Either there is less of communication, or you both are not able to understand each other well, not in the general times, but yes, in this specific month, it says that there can be some miscommunication, there can be some communication gap, there can be some misunderstanding. You are not able to understand your partner, and same way your partner is also not able to understand. So my dear friends, it is very important that if you're feeling so with your partner, you should definitely go for a clarity call. You can definitely sit and work out on the differences, because talking always gives a solution, and non-talking will definitely increase the gap in communication. So my suggestion, if you are resonating with this, since this is a general reading, so it might be true for some of you that you are feeling the gap in the communication. You are not able to talk to your partner quite often. He or she is also not able to talk to you quite often. There are gaps in communication and the understanding level. So talking will certainly help in this regard. And I would like to pull up one more card for you people just to clarify the situation. Excuse me. Clarify the love and relationship. 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 Lovely. What a beautiful card. It says Ace of Cups. That means a new beginning. Maybe this beginning can be a new beginning in your existing relationship. And my dear friend, since this is a clarifier card, so this also shows that might be possible you both move on to your separate path and you find a new love in your life. So this shows, Ace of Cups certainly shows a new beginning in the existing relationship. And if it is not the existing relationship, my dear friends, be ready to welcome new love in your life. So this is a very beautiful card when we talk about your love and relationship. This is one of the best card rather when we talk about love and relationships. And let us now move towards your health. And in health it says the Hanging Man, my dear. This is a major arcana card, and it says Knight of Cups. This shows that there were certain problems in your health. Maybe you were ignoring certain stuff. There was some problem, but now there is a movement towards betterment. There was something which was going on which you must have ignored or which you have not given attention, and the thing again came up in your chart, but now there is a little better movement in your health. So my advice to you, please do take care whenever you feel there is a change in your health. Do not take anything lightly, and it is very important that whenever you feel any changes or development in your health, you are not finding yourself better, please do consult a doctor for it. And there is definitely a certain better movement in your health now from the previous few weeks. And let us now see your energy oracle cards, what your own energy is saying. You have a good reading today, I must say, and my guides are telling me that there's a lot of newness in your personal and professional relationship. Before moving on to the energy oracle, if you see in your professional, it was saying a new opportunity, and even in your personal life, love and relationship, Ace of Cups showed that there is something new coming up in your way. So newness is there in your personal life and newness is there in your professional life too. So personal and professional, December month is going to be a major month of transformation. And let us now pull your energy cards and let me see what your energy oracle is saying. My guides are telling me to pull 3 cards for you, my dear. So in the other readings, we were pulling 1, 2. So let me pull 3. If they're telling me to pick up 3 cards, maybe there is an additional message for you people. Lucky you. So let me see what all your own energy aura is telling us. We are ready with your oracle 1, 2 and 3. Let me see. Lovely. Let me see what cards we have. It says Door to Romance. Can you now see this card? What a confirmation of this Ace of Cups. It says Door to Romance. So either there will be newness or freshness in your current relationship, or this is very clear that you will be moving towards a new relationship in your life. And let us now see the next card. It says Strategy and it says Indecision. So my dear friends, when you talk about, especially about business venture, there is something new. Strategy is definitely going to help you out. Don't take a ad hoc jump. Don't feel that something really came to your way and you are going to quickly adapt it. Go and have a detailed workout about that. Have good analysis. Do a strategy plan. See what the changes are looking like. Weigh the pros and cons of the opportunity or a business proposal properly. Make a strategy of your movement, your action plan, and then only take a decision. However, the next card also says that there could be some indecision. So since there are changes in your professional life, there are changes in your personal life in the month of December, it is obvious that you will feel little, confused or little you are not able to take the decision. There can be some illusions, there can be some gaps in understanding, or you're not able to understand this stuff at one go. So nothing to worry. You take your own time in making the major decisions of your life, whether it is a personal life, whether it is a professional life. If it talks about taking a decision, you can feel little indecisive about it. So nothing to worry. Take your time, weigh all pros and cons, see everything in detail, and then only take a step and move forward. So my dear friends, this was the general reading for the month of December 2020 for my dear subscribers for the sun, moon and rising sign of Cancer. I do read all my comments very carefully. Please do let me know that how things are going and how much you resonated with it. And I would really request you to like, subscribe and do share the video. Thank you and be blessed.